Can I get closer to that? So that is the kind of rocket shrapnel that we get. Rocket fragmentation. There's another one here that we get here. Yeah. Right. These guys are hanging out here for me. Just gonna go on this bald patch of grass. Oh, there's a guy in the tree there. See, in the tree. Oh, we've got brain pink suet now. Two in the tree. Guy way over there. Is he coming in? No. Okay. See, I'm going through the motions. I don't think they can see me throwing anything. You know, I'm just waving my arms. It's not like they can see the suet from over there. It's red camouflage. Oh, look. Seagulls approaching is where I was going with that. Look at that. Do you see him? Two guys in the tree. Three guys in the tree. It's not really like I need a knife to slice off pieces of mashed potato. Makes it tidy. Do they have a sense of, is he throwing that at me? Sure. I bet they'll have a version of, he's looking at me, because I don't want him to. Do you know what I mean? What's the crow's sense of self? Oh, there you got a bit jumpy there. Perhaps I should ask one. It's only over there. Do you think I'd get a coherent answer? Whoa! Look at that. That was classy. Some big stuff going on, lads. I'm looking at you. And you, shiny beak. Come on. I haven't got a meat pie for you today because they bowled it. Right. Should I crumble up some suet or like shave some off with my penknife? Hello, where are you going away? Whoa. Right, mind your fingers. See, these crumbs I think will go down quite well because they're far too small for a seagull to pick up. They might be thinking of it as blue tip food for that very reason. Oh, sorry. It's going to get to the point where it's going to endanger my own fingers. Right, that'll do. See, I'm standing right in the field of all of this, keeping the seagulls away. And now if I'm going to go over there, quickly. Let them approach behind me from out of the sun. That would be great for a washed out image on GoPro, wouldn't it? Oh, the seagulls are trying it on. 3, 5, 6. Oh, look at that. Are they, oi, what's he going? What are they eating? That one had mashed potatoes. where I come from, that's a lot of seagulls. Right. Whoa, look at that. Can you hear me over the wind? Gonna have to speak up, aren't I? Getting too loud. 2, 4, 6, 8 seagulls. Go on, keep looking, mate. Keep looking. There's suet and peanuts there. Put some here, look. That's right. Come this way. Come this way. I bet you got about 8 feet. Come on. This way, this way, this way. Find the peanuts. Bouncing along. Peanuts, peanuts, peanuts. About there, I think. Hey, you got them? Go on. He's got one. He's got a peanut. Put his foot on it. So the other guys, I should presume they've eaten all the ham by now. Probably suet and peanuts for the guys at the back. Seagulls are left. Let's go and see the next lot, because they're just over there.